legends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. For today's video we are going to review the ink bucket planner and 2021 एकदम ही एंड पे है, मतलब कुछ ही दिन में ख़त्म होने वाला है. So I thought let's just do it quickly and I'll give you a back story. To get started, I'd like to request to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon. So basically coming to the back story, this is not the planner that is owned by me. मेरे पास सिंबल लाइफस्टाइल का प्लानर है जो मैं खुद खरीदी हूँ for 2022. In this hostel there lives a friend of mine who is also a content creator. I'll add her channel link below, so do give it a watch. 2022 exclusive collection from Ink Bucket, dedicated haul video for Ink Bucket. Kindly do watch it. I'll also add the video link down. So I thought let me review this actually. So then I just asked her, can I just review this on my channel even, and she was very kind to me and said that yes, you can surely review this. Just review the planner, and also I have some cards with it that came along with the planner. You can seriously say these are so beautiful. Like look at this. I think इस बार के मैक्सिमम प्लानर्स फ्लोरल थीम पे है. आई डोंट नो व्हाई, बिकॉज सिंबल लाइफस्टाइल का भी फ्लोरल थीम पे था. एंड ऑल्सो आई हैव ए नोटबुक ओवर हियर वेयर यू कैन मेक योर नोट्स. नो सॉरी इट्स a sticker book. It's a sticker book. Just look at the stickers. It's so premium quality and so many stickers. सिंबल लाइफस्टाइल में उतना स्टिकर्स नहीं दिए थे मुझे. Sad life, but literally there are so many stickers, literally so many. Coming towards the planner comes in a box, which I love about. I also said in my Symbol lifestyle video that I wish I could get a box with it, but yeah, this comes with a box, which is really great. You can easily keep it so secured, and the pura hi theme floral theme pe pura theme, and there is a leopard in it. If you can, even in the planner there is a leopard in between of the flowers, which is very hard to distinguish, but you can see. I think there is a concept behind it. I am not pretty sure what's the concept about, but yes, so this is how the planner looks. Basically in सबका body पूरा same है, but I love the fact that it comes with a box that it will keep it secure for a very long time, and also the box is of very premium quality. I like to say that this planner will cost you rupees 1800 to 1899, and then shipping मिला के तुम पकड़ लो थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही लग जाएगा. But this is also available in Amazon. Are also available in Amazon, so maybe you can get some extra perks where discount from Amazon. You just need to keep a check on. Thing that I would like to say, ये देखो ये कॉपी वाला स्टाइल है, but it has also launched the same planner but with the spiral वाला thing, spiral binding वाला thing. So जिसको जो अच्छा लगे वो ले लो. Symbol Lifestyle was the spiral वाला binding. If you think the spiral वाला binding would be much tough to keep because पेजेस टूटने के चांसेस ज़्यादा होते हैं, देन गो फॉर दिस. द क्वालिटी इज़ सो प्रीमियम यू गाइस. मतलब इसका जो क्वालिटी है ना, इसका ये थोड़ा सा हल्का वाला ये है, ये एकदम भी फेंकने वाला चीज़ नहीं है. यू कैन ईजिली कीप इट सिक्योर. The front page and this is the back page. I know both of them almost look similar, but you can distinguish it by this 2022. And also, so when you open the first page, this is the page you get, and this is written here, this belongs to. You can write your name here or anything if you want. Cute सा 2022 का motivation kind of note you can say, and 2022 का motivation quote, which is really nice. And you see the font is so beautiful. So coming to the next page, there is a two page. For first page you need to describe what the year was and what the year will be. Means you need to, I think you need to describe your past till 2021 कैसा था आपका और आप क्या क्या चाहते हैं इस साल में होना. And then comes to the next part, that is the vision board. So here you can stick your notes or stick some words or photo related to your vision for your 2022. And then again in this page there is a note written over here. The note says what's new normal with you, and then there is an empty page. I think here you can write a letter to yourself. The next page that comes the plans. He set goals and make plans. Firstly you need to make your goals over here, like work goals, personal goals, health goals, financial goals. And then in make plans section you need to write down your priorities, habits you want to adopt, habits you want to cut, new skills you want to learn, and do more thoughtful. ये प्लानर ना बहुत ही मिनिमल है एंड इट इज़ वेरी गुड इफ़ यू आर स्टार्टिंग ऑफ, बट टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट आई डिडंट गेट इट जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द अमाउंट, बिकॉज इट वॉज जस्ट लाइक द डबल ऑफ अमाउंट आई नीड टू पे that I paid in Symbol Lifestyle. Means you can say that this will cost you around 2000, but if you have that much of budget and you are new to planning stuff, then I'll say that go for this. It is a premium quality planner with minimal detailing. You just don't need to pay a lot of attention, just 5 minutes din kar do and you are done. And then come again another section of let's make goals and make plans of every month. So here comes in month wise January, February, March, April, ऐसे करके दिसंबर तक है. And then comes a page that says year at a glance. So here all the dates are written and all the days are written and also all the months are written. Yes, here all the dates are written till 31st and here all the months are written. I think you can just set a thing like ऐसा दिन था आज आपका, by setting a symbol. The cells are very small so you need to be very careful. like आप moods लिख सकते हैं, कोई भी dot कोई भी, and you know what this dot or that dot means for you, if that makes sense. And comes a page where you need to note down your birthdays. मतलब किसी का फ्रेंड का बर्थडे है और याद नहीं रहा तो you can just write down the birthdays according to the months किसका कब बर्थडे है, you can easily write that down. And after that there comes a page where it's like notes. कुछ भी एक note या letter if you want to write you can write, or you can write the high points that you want to follow. And then you can see that all the months are distinguished by using through this bookmarks. You can just flip to February and March easily, not like you just flipping the pages and देखते जाओ कि क्या है कब आएगा फेब, ऐसा नहीं है. बस easily एक ऐसे पकड़ो और जैन चले जाओ. हर एक मंथ के लिए ना एक फ्लावर डिनोटेड है, for January, this one for February and so on writing. That's it. So now coming to the January page, here all the dates are written where you can write down your mini goals or mini to-dos for the day. From now I feel this planner is very nice. Means each and every week आप अपना reflection देख सकते हैं. What do you want? मतलब एक week गया, you write down and you see that this week I was not productive, for example, and then next week I'll be more productive. Or this week I am productive, then next week I'll be more productive. This is so thoughtful. So I'll show you the pages like for this month, like agendas for this month, then new things that you want to try, and then habit tracker, like habit tracker. Here all the dates are given. If you write a habit over here you can check how many dates you have done, those have for the week, your top priorities that is for this week, your expenses, you can note down your expenses section, and then your notes or doodles over here. And in this week what are the important dates that you need to see. There's a section where it says I am looking forward to do what you want to do, you can write it down there. And then comes this week. This is the first week of the January. First of all is written here January first week, and then here is written affirmations, that what are your affirmations for this week, and then all the 7 days are present over here where you can write down things. Yeah, and also these things are mentioned with dates. After the week finished, the first week finished, then comes the weekly reflection. Can you believe? The weekly reflection is you can attach a photo. It's like the flashback of the memorable photo or captured photo. That's a little recap before moving to the next episode. Nice. Then your week, you can write down your total weekly expenses over. Like you need to write down what are the things that you want to give thanks to for this week. Week reflection khatam. फिर आ गया वीकली प्लान. The work goals that you want to set, what are the personal goals that you want to set, your meal plan. I don't think I can ever do this. Your top priorities and your shopping list for this week. Here comes the second week and with the same thing, same reflection, weekly plan. मतलब concept यही है ना कि एक week का तुम लिखो and then you see your week reflection, and then you plan your next week, which is really great. मतलब this will help you very much. Week reflection देखिए कि आगे क्या करना है, you can easily get it, and I think ना in this way you can be more productive even. बहुत सारा thoughts लगा हुआ है इसमें. It is very thoughtful planner. I know it's a bit expensive, but the money you'll be paying for is worth if you just follow this and if you write down it, मतलब with full dedication. I am really sure that this will make your month or your year productive. And then after the month ends, there is a monthly reflection page where you need to write down your goals and your progresses, your big challenges that you have overcome in this month, your patience and happiness that you have encountered in resolution for tomorrow. In a note wala page where you can write down a letter or also your about your month you can say. And also there's another note over here before the start of February, so you can also write a note to yourself for February, or you can just leave it as it is. Just December, there are some pages where there are some pages for notes where you can write notes or letters, and also you can give it to someone. And then comes here again a sticker page which you can use throughout the planner. As you can see, the stickers are so pretty, so thoughtful. This will make your minimal planner so beautiful, and I think this is the best minimal planner that you can get, and also the best productive planner. थोड़ा सा pricey है no doubt, but लेकिन I guess it's very productive. मतलब उतना कुछ ताम झाम नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है, बस इजीली थोड़ा थोड़ा करो, रोज़ का 5 मिनट भी नहीं लगेगा, 3 मिनट दो एंड यू आर सॉर्टेड. बस जिस दिन वीक रिफ्लेक्शन होगा और जिस दिन प्लान करना होगा आगे के वीक के लिए, आई थिंक ऑन संडे देन यू नीड टू गिव अ लिटिल मोर टाइम. देन दैट आई थिंक इफ यू फॉलो दिस देन योर प्रोडक्टिविटी लेवल विल गो फ्रॉम दिस टू दिस. इट्स अ वेरी गुड प्लानर. So coming to the pros of this planner, I love the fact that it comes with a box which is very secure to keep it even after the year. You can easily secure it and keep like this. And coming to the second pro, I love the fact that it also gives you an option of spiral binding and all this kind. So it gives the customer the opportunity to choose by themselves whichever they want to. The pro would be, I love this planner for being so light, so or not overwhelmed, but so clear and so pin to pin pointed. कुछ भी एक्स्ट्रा नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं, बस पॉइंट टू पॉइंट बात है, ख़त्म. एंड आई लव द फैक्ट दैट आफ्टर एवरी वीक यू कैन जस्ट सी वन पेज एंड यू कैन reflect your whole week. So overall I think this is great, literally great. If you have a budget of that, I will surely recommend you go for this planner. Otherwise you can see other options too. Have a budget and don't think twice, literally don't think twice before getting this. So thank you my gems for watching till the end. Bye my gems, see you next time.